Picture a land untouched by time, where towering mountains kiss the sky and vast, icy landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see. This is Alaska, a place of raw, untamed beauty that defies the imagination. In the heart of this majestic wilderness, you'll find landscapes as diverse as they are breathtaking. Blankets of snow gently drape over the rugged peaks of the Alaska Range, their summits gleaming in the crisp morning sunlight. These mountains, some of the highest in North America, are a testament to the Earth's raw power, standing strong and resolute against the passage of time. Further afield, the land gives way to dense, lush forests. Here, millennia-old spruce and cedar trees reach for the heavens, their branches whispering ancient tales on the breeze. The forest floor, a tapestry of green, is broken only by the occasional wildflower, their vibrant hues a stark contrast to the verdant surroundings. Yet, the true jewel of Alaskan wilderness has to be its glaciers. These shimmering ice giants, shaped by centuries of wind and weather, glisten like diamonds under the Arctic sun. They carve a path through the landscape, their slow but relentless march a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's artistry. Interwoven with these grand vistas are tranquil rivers and lakes, their crystal-clear waters reflecting the azure sky above. These waterways serve as nature's arteries, teeming with life and providing a lifeline for the state's diverse wildlife. Alaska's wilderness doesn't just offer visual splendor, it's a playground for the adventurous at heart. When the summer sun bathes the land, hiking trails beckon, each one promising a unique journey through this pristine paradise. And when winter wraps Alaska in her icy embrace, the northern lights dance across the sky, their ethereal beauty a sight to behold. This is just the beginning of the Alaskan adventure, a place where nature's grandeur is on full display. So come, step into the wild, and let Alaska's majestic wilderness captivate your soul. Beyond the natural wonders, Alaska brims with a rich cultural tapestry that weaves together centuries of history and tradition. The cultural richness of Alaska is as diverse as its landscapes, a melting pot of traditions that span from the indigenous tribes to the adventurous settlers who flocked here during the Gold Rush era. Each group has left an indelible imprint on the state, creating a vibrant cultural mosaic that is uniquely Alaskan. Beginning with the indigenous tribes, Alaska is home to a rich tapestry of native cultures, each with its own unique traditions, art, and music. The Tlingit, Haida, and Tsimshian peoples of the southeast, the Yupik and Inupiaq of the Arctic regions, and the Athabascans of the interior. These are the original storytellers of Alaska. From the intricate totem poles and delicate beadwork of the Tlingit to the rhythmic drumming and vibrant dances of the Yupik, Alaska's native cultures offer a window into a world steeped in tradition and reverence for the land. But the cultural story of Alaska isn't only told by its native peoples. The Gold Rush era brought a wave of hopeful prospectors and settlers from all walks of life, adding a new thread to the state's cultural fabric. Today, remnants of this era can be seen in the well-preserved mining towns, where wooden boardwalks echo with the ghosts of gold seekers, and the old saloons still serve up a taste of the Wild West. And let's not forget the cultural experiences that truly bring Alaska to life. The state is dotted with festivals that celebrate everything from the midnight sun to the northern lights. These events showcase Alaska's love for music, food, and communal gatherings, creating unforgettable experiences that highlight the state's unique cultural identity. Here in Alaska, every culture, every story, adds a new color to this vibrant tapestry. Each thread intertwines with the next, creating a cultural quilt that is as diverse and rich as the state itself. This is Alaska, where every tradition, every song, every piece of art is a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. In Alaska, every new day brings the promise of a thrilling encounter with the wild. This vast frontier is teeming with an incredible array of wildlife, each species a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. From the majestic brown bears fishing salmon in the rushing rivers, to the herds of moose that roam the dense forests, Alaska is truly a wildlife lover's paradise. In the crystal-clear waters surrounding the state, you might spot humpback whales breaching in a spectacular display, or watch as bald eagles swoop down to pluck their meal from the sea. Whether you choose to embark on a guided tour or explore the state's numerous national parks and reserves, the opportunities for wildlife viewing are as diverse and abundant as the creatures themselves. In Alaska, the wild is never far away, reminding us of our connection to this awe-inspiring world. After a day of exploring, there's nothing better than indulging in Alaska's culinary delights. Alaska's cuisine is as diverse and captivating as its landscapes, offering a unique blend of flavors that reflect both its rich history and bountiful natural resources. Consider the succulent fresh-caught salmon, grilled to perfection over an open fire, or the sumptuous king crab, a delicacy that's worth every bit of the effort it takes to crack open. Alaska's seafood is world-renowned, and for good reason. Every bite is a testament to the pristine, icy waters from which it was harvested. But the dining experience in Alaska isn't just about the food, it's about the ambiance. Whether you find yourself in a rustic lodge, feasting on hearty stews, or in a gourmet restaurant in the heart of the city, savoring exquisitely prepared dishes, you're partaking in a tradition that celebrates Alaska's bounty. In Alaska, every meal is a celebration of the land and sea, a taste of the wild at its most delicious.